If you want to share photos, videos, or other files with the family or team members, mirroring your iPhone to a TV offers a great way to do so. What's the best method to view media on a larger screen? Let's review some options. First off, you can do it the old-fashioned way using an HDMI cable. If you're having technical or network difficulties, this is always a safe choice. You'll need an HDMI cable and most likely an adapter. Just plug in your iPhone or iPad and turn on your TV. If you want to stay away from messy cables, however, try one of these. First, you can share your iPhone screen with your TV using iOS native feature. Swipe down from the top of the iPhone screen and tap the screen mirroring icon. Your iPhone will show a list of devices compatible with AirPlay, as long as they're turned on and in the same Wi-Fi network. Tap on your TV. You'll see a 4-digit code on your TV screen. Enter it on the iPhone and complete the connection. You'll now see your iPhone screen on the TV. Note that the AirPlay feature needs to be enabled on the TV for this method to work. To stop sharing your screen, return to Control Center and click on the screen sharing icon. If you're having issues with AirPlay, the most common culprit is a bad connection. To help determine if that's the case, you can use NetSpot. It's a great tool on Setapp that identifies and fixes Wi-Fi problems. It detects and analyzes interface, coverage, signal strength, and other factors that can cause poor network performance. In addition to that, NetSpot provides useful Wi-Fi heat maps, so you can locate dead spots in coverage and signal dropouts to improve connectivity across your entire home or office. Now that we've covered the different ways to mirror your iPhone to the TV, feel free to explore NetSpot to optimize your Wi-Fi network and ensure a hassle-free streaming experience. Along with 240 other great apps, it's available on Setapp, a single place for your app needs. Setapp offers a curated collection of tools for iOS and Mac, all in the form of a single subscription. These apps will help you tackle different types of daily tasks and issues to help you plan, code, focus, and convert better than ever before. Try Setapp for free for 7 days to experience it to the fullest.